crap! Look at the size of those hailstones! They're huge! They're hitting the ground! And they're... Look at that! Oh my gosh! Look at that! I'm gonna get out of here because I don't want to get struck by lightning. Franklin! What are we gonna do, Franklin? Franklin! Come here, Kiki! Come here, Kiki! Come here! He's like, no. A flashback. I hope I remembered to close the window. It looks like I did. Good looking Jeep. Too bad she's got to go. It is coming down something fierce. Look at, oh, the rain's coming through the screen. And there's not even like wind. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Well, I mean, holy smokes. Great. I don't know if I've ever seen hailstones like that. In, like, what? Come on, focus. I don't know if I've ever seen hailstones like that in a spring storm. I mean, I've heard about it, but I don't know if I've ever seen it or not before. And now I have. How about that?